Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Hopefully, you are doing fine. Today, I'm going to discuss why I decided to come to the US. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Nasi Alam, graduate teaching assistant, Department of English, North Dakota State University. I'm now speaking from Wahpeton, North Dakota. So you can look at the background there. You could see the ducks flying around, and my children are playing in the park. So let me discuss how and why I decided to come to the US. Number one, US is the best place for education. I'm doing my master's here. I'm studying in the Department of English. I also teach two sections of college composition, part 2. So I'm improving every day. My professors are great. They help us a lot. Whenever you face any problem, go out to them and they give us guidance and they just help the way they can. So that is number one. Number two, I wanted to improve my English. I love English. I speak and write in English regularly. English is not my first language. I have opened this YouTube channel also to improve myself. So I get a lot of study materials from my professors, and here the study is tough. You have to study every day, you have to read a lot of books and articles, and you have to submit your assignment copies. For example, I have had 3 courses. I think in 3 courses I had to write almost 50,000 words. For each course, you can say you have to write almost 2,000 words to 20,000 words or 15,000 words. So that's a lot of work, but it is manageable. We have 3 kids. My wife is also a PhD student, but we manage our time. We spend more time inside the house. We study whenever there is free time. We are also taking part in other activities. Number three, in the USA, you do get a lot of security. It means, like, I come from Bangladesh. It's a country of 180 million people. There are people everywhere. You may not have your security every now and then. However, in the USA, I don't feel insecure. We don't feel insecure because when my girls go out, nobody touches them. When my son goes out, he doesn't get bullied because of the color of his skin. And when my wife goes out, she feels free. I don't worry because I know that she will return home in a secure way. Nobody even touches, nobody even gives any abusive words. So that's number three reason. And number four, look at the weather. It's cold, I know. Again, you don't have to spend too much time outside. You can stay inside the house, you can get heated, and if you go out to work, even the heater system inside the buildings is good, so you don't have to worry too much. So they do everything in order to make your life comfortable. So in the cold season, you don't face any worries. So that's number four. You can say the weather is nice and you feel good. Lead a comfortable life. Number five, I live in Fargo. I live in North Dakota. So you can say the expense of Fargo is relatively cheap. We come from low income categories. We both are students. We are also teaching. So we are called graduate teaching assistants. In the USA, they call us professors too. However, the salary we get is not high anywhere in the USA. Still, it is manageable. So we are living a great life because the expense is low and our lifestyle is not that high. So as a result, I would say you can manage everything here. And after number five, there is a brighter prospect. Let's say my children are going to public school. They are receiving free education. They don't have to worry about their meals. The schools provide them with free meals, and from 8 to 3 they spend their time at the schools. At that time, we don't have to worry about their security. We don't have to worry about their education. So though they are studying free of cost, the services they get from their teachers are fantastic. I would say that from the bottom of my heart, they do everything possible to make their lives better. So That's the other reason, because I have a torrid experience of my children going to their schools in Bangladesh. There the education was so bad that, I mean, even I decided, I told my wife, so I don't want them to go to school, let them study at home, and after we go to the US they will study there. And that's what is happening. They dropped out from their schools. I said that earlier, that the teachers used to say, poor handwriting, you are not doing well, you are a weak student. So they are only 4 years and 5 years old. You can't say that you are a weak student, you can't write well, or your handwriting is poor. So I didn't want them to face it, because I faced it when I was young. I had a lot of talent. I could not fulfill my talent because I didn't get the right atmosphere. So this is number 5 reason. I am forgetting the numbers. So number 6. See, I asked my children, "Are you happy here?" And they said, "We are happy. We are enjoying our lives, and we would like to spend the rest of our days here." So, see, everything we do is for our children. Whatever I achieve, whatever my wife achieves, doesn't matter as long as our children are doing well. So right here in North Dakota, my children are doing well. In Bangladesh, they were called as poor students, but here they are teachers. They love them, they appreciate them, and they are doing well in their studies. I am doing well. My wife is doing well, but I don't want to praise myself. Whenever I praise myself, I see that something bad happens to me. So my YouTube viewers, do not curse me. Always pray for me, pray for my wife, and I pray for you. I'll come with a new Duolingo test very soon. Right now I'm enjoying my break. I'm coming with other videos because I just want to explore myself. I want to enjoy my time, and I want to do everything possible. So I wish you all the best. Take care and have a good one. We will have to return, and my wife is calling me. So whenever your wife calls you, you have to obey, right? Otherwise your family life will be in trouble. But before I end this video, I would like to show you this. Not my okay, let's see. So